Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the market and we are going to learn how to use Fibonacci tool, right? So if I talk about myself, I'm going to select this point to implement the Fibonacci tool. Why I have selected this point? Let me put the Fibonacci tool right here first. Now you might be having a question in your mind like why I have selected this point only, right? I have selected this point because I'm gonna use the Fibonacci tool at the swing trade market, right? And you have to remember one thing, like if the market is uptrend, as you can see it is uptrend right here. If the market is uptrend, you have to set the Fibonacci tool from the bottommost point to the topmost point, right? And if the market is downtrend, you have to use the Fibonacci tool, and the vice versa, like from the topmost point to the bottommost point, right? Now if I talk about myself, like how to make profit with the help of Fibonacci tool, you have to wait for the market to hit 0.7, right? If I talk about myself, I'm talking about particularly myself, right? If the market hits 0.75, this is the time where I used to enter the market. And after that, I used to wait for these three lines. What are these three lines called? These three lines are known as target first, target second, and the target third, right? These are the profit tag marks. And talking about the stop loss, I used to mark the stop loss right somewhere right here. Okay. And I used to wait for the market to hit target one usually, and I exit the market when it hits the target one. Because you can wait for the target 2 and target 3, you can hold the coins, right? It is totally up to you, but it is quite risky and I like to play quite safer. That's why I used to exit the market at the target 1. So that's all for the video. We'll meet you at the next video.